Cupping massage is an ancient Chinese therapy that has been used for centuries to relieve pain, reduce inflammation, and improve blood circulation. It involves applying heated glass suckers to the skin in circular or patterned movements. Suction creates a negative pressure that lifts the skin and the tissues underneath, which leads to an increase in blood flow to the target areas. This increased blood flow can help reduce pain, eliminate toxins, and relax muscles, thereby improving overall well-being. Cupping massage also helps to improve the circulation of oxygen-rich blood cells throughout the body, which can help speed up healing after injury or illness. In addition, cupping massage is believed to have a calming effect on both the mind and body, and also potentially promotes deep relaxation. Cupping massage is a massage technique that uses special jars to create a vacuum on the skin. This massage technique has a long history and is widely used in Chinese and Asian medicine. In the process of cupping massage, oil or cream is applied to the skin, after which special jars are applied to it. Banks create a vacuum, which leads to an increase in blood flow and lymph flow in the massage area. This helps to improve blood circulation, speed up metabolism, improve tissue nutrition, and eliminate swelling. The use of cupping massage can be useful for various diseases and conditions. For example, in diseases of the musculoskeletal system, such as osteochondrosis, arthritis, sciatica, cupping massage helps to improve blood flow and relieve muscle tension. Cupping massage can also be useful for cellulite, as it helps to improve blood supply and speed up metabolism. In addition, cupping massage can be useful for improving the functioning of the respiratory system. The vacuum created by the jars helps to improve blood circulation in the lungs and accelerate the elimination of toxins from the body. However, it must be remembered that cupping massage has its contraindications. For example, it is not recommended to use it in acute inflammatory skin diseases, purulent processes, the presence of tumors, and skin lesions. It should also be noted that cupping massage should be carried out only by qualified specialists. Improperly performed massage can lead to injuries and complications. In general, cupping massage is an effective massage technique that can be useful for various diseases and conditions. However, before using this technique, it is necessary to consult with a doctor and choose a qualified specialist for the procedure.
Me now, girl.